Hello new users, and welcome back existing users. So today, we are going to be deleting registry and system files until my Windows installation is ruined. But before we get started, please like and smash that subscribe button, or else your whole Windows installation will be corrupted by the time I count down. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now that's out of the way, let's dive into the real fun, shall we? Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start deleting some of the files. Let's just go ahead and start doing it until, the system crashes and the whole Windows installation is ruined. So what I'm going to do first is, I'm just gonna go into the registry editor. I'm sure that most of you guys have seen my other video of me deleting registry values until my Windows 10 installation was corrupted. But in this video, I'm not only going to be doing that, but I'm also going to be deleting critical system files. So now that we're here, now that you see all of the files and directories, first I'm gonna go into the current user directory here, and I'm gonna go into the system right here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and delete these values. So delete. Yes. My speakers aren't correct. Alright, now I had to reboot my VM, but now I'm gonna go ahead and start deleting the registry keys and directories. registry values I could. Of course, Windows wouldn't let me delete certain ones, but let's go ahead and delete some system files in the directory.